Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the bed blueprint in Subnautica 2. First things first, use your life pod as your starting point for navigation. What you'll want to do is check the compass at the top and head straight southwest. As you keep swimming in that direction, you'll eventually come across a rock formation that looks like a cluster of stalagmites. On the side of this rock formation, you'll find an entrance leading into an abandoned base. Once you enter, you can simply scan the first bed located in the corner of the room. For the next one, still using our life pod as the starting point, head straight southeast. You'll eventually see another cluster of stalagmites. If you head down inside the center rock formation, there will be another abandoned base. You can scan the second bed fragment right over here. After scanning it and checking your habitat builder, you'll now be able to craft the bed yourself. You'll also find other objects inside the base that can be scanned, so make sure to look around abandoned bases and wreckages whenever you encounter them. And that's how to find the bed blueprint in Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.